Hi friends, today I am going to teach you about speed. Speed is the distance of a moving object in a given amount of time. So we have learned what is distance in my previous video. So speed is the distance of a moving object in a given amount of time. Speed is a measure of how fast something is moving. Let us once again recall what is distance. So in this image, if the car is moving from point A to point B, so the distance is the distance between point A to point B. We have already learnt distance is a scalar quantity and it doesn't have any direction. So SI unit of distance is meters. So here we go with speed. What actually means speed in physics? Speed is the distance travelled per unit of time. It is how fast an object is moving. So speed is a scalar quantity. It doesn't have any direction. It has only magnitude of velocity vector. It doesn't have any direction. Higher the speed means an object is moving faster. If the speed is low, that means object is moving lower with lower speed. So this is the formula for speed. Speed is distance covered per unit amount of time. Let us go with one practical example. The example here is a cyclist covers a distance of 15 miles in 2 hours. So here the distance is 15 miles and the unit for distance is miles and unit for time is hours. So total time given here is 2 hours. So we need to calculate speed. In the above slide, I have given you the formula for speed. Speed is distance covered per unit amount of time. So what is the distance given here? Distance given here is 15 miles. And the time given here is 2 hours. So distance by time, it is 15 miles per 2 hours. So it is 7.5 miles per 1 hour. Here we go with triangle formula for speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So there are 4 types of speed. First one is uniform speed. Second one is variable speed. Third one is average speed. And fourth one is instantaneous speed. So let's go into these details. Uniform speed. What is uniform speed? What is uniform motion? An object is said to be uniform speed when the object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Let us take one example. For example, I am going to market. Market is some 1000 meters away from my home. So if I am covering 3 seconds in 1 meter, 3 seconds in 1 meter and 3 seconds in the next meter, my speed is same for 3 meters. So that is called as uniform speed. Let us see this image. From this car is traveling for 3 kilometers. So from first point to second point, the distance is 1 kilometer. And second point to third point, distance is again 1 kilometer. Third to fourth point, distance is again 1 kilometer. So each interval of distance, the time covered is 1 minute. So from first point to second point, distance covered is 1 kilometer, time taken is 1 minute. In the same way, second point to third point, distance covered is 1 kilometer and time taken is same 1 minute again. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minutes total. So total distance is 3 kilometers and time taken is again 3 minutes. Next one is variable speed. A speed is said to be variable speed when the object covers a different distance in equal intervals of time. So in the above example, 0 minutes to 1 meter, here it covered a distance of 1 kilometers. 1 minute to 2 minutes, it again covered the distance of 1 kilometers. So in variable speed, it may not be 1 kilometer, it may be 2 kilometers, 1.5 kilometers. The distance will be other than 1 kilometer. Next, average speed. Average speed is defined as uniform speed which given by the ratio of total distance covered by total time taken. So it is in this image, what is the average distance? Total distance covered by total time taken. Total distance is 1 kilometer plus 1 kilometer plus 1 kilometer. It is 3 kilometers. Total time taken is 1 minute plus 1 minute plus 1 minute. Total time taken is 3 minutes. So 3 kilometers by 3 minutes is again 1 kilometer per 1 minute. Next one is instantaneous speed. So what is instantaneous speed? It is the speed of an object at any instant of time. Okay. So these are the types of speed. Hope you guys got clear. Hope you guys are clear about types of speed. Now let us go with what are the units of speed. Distance per time. So unit for distance may be miles, kilometers, meters, and time may be hours, seconds, and minutes. So units may be miles per hour, kilometers per hour, or meters per second. Thank you.